Welcome to our fourth lesson, Learn Kikuyu language with me, Boniface. In the last lesson, we were able to look at who, and we said that no means who. Now in this lesson, we are going to look at when. And the question of when in Kikuyu is re. Re asks when. For example, Ũgokare. Ũgokare. Ũgoka asks come. You come. Re is when, will. Re is when. Ũgokare is when will you come. Agathiĩ. Now a is he or she, second person singular. Agathiĩ, when will he or she go. Ũkarĩkia mathomo, when will you complete your education. I think I missed to write the word education here, so this should be when will you complete your education. So it should be when will you complete your education. All right. Now I would like us to look at a few vocabularies, Kikuyu vocabularies that show us time. Or that go with the question of when. There is Rũci-inĩ or kĩrooko, that is in the morning. Mĩaraho is in the afternoon. Hwaĩ-inĩ is in the evening. Ũtukũ is at night. I would like to mention that Mĩaraho is usually from noon to around 2 p.m. From 2 p.m. to 4:30 or 5, that's the inyanya, quote unquote. However, Hwaĩ-inĩ starts from around 4:35 or 4:30 or 5 to 7. From 7 it's Ũtukũ. Ũtukũ is at night. Mĩaraho again is noon. Mũthenya is day. So if you say Mũthenya ũyũ is to say this day. Ũtukũ gatagatĩ is midnight. Ũtukũ is night and mid is gatagatĩ. So Ũtukũ gatagatĩ is midnight. If you say Rĩrĩ, Thaa, thita, just to mention that when the sun is at noon or when the sun is very hot. Thaa, thita is 12 o'clock. Thaa, ĩmwe, 7 o'clock. Thaa, inyanya is 2 o'clock. So whether in the night, whether in the AM or in the PM, that's how you talk about time. Now, when you talk about Rũciũ, you're talking about tomorrow. Ira is yesterday. Ũmũthĩ is today. Okay is the day after tomorrow. So if you say I'll come the day after tomorrow, you would say Ũgoka, okay. Kiumia, gĩkĩ is this week, whereby Kiumia is week, gĩkĩ is this. Kiumia kĩu kĩrarĩ, that is the week that was there, which is last week. All right. If you talk about Kiumia gĩkĩ giũku or Kiumia gĩkĩ giũkĩte or Kiumia gĩkĩ gĩgũka or Kiumia gĩkĩ kĩroka, all that means the coming week. The coming week, not the current week. Sorry about that. This should be corrected. It means the coming week. Sorry about that. So should know that kiumia gĩkĩ gĩũku is the coming week, kiumia giũkĩte is coming week, kiumia gĩgũka is coming week, kiumia kĩroka is coming week, the week that is coming. Rũciũ rũngĩ is just to mean another day. Rũciũ rũngĩ just means another day. Okay, Rũciũ rũngĩ means another day. Another day. Mũthenya ũngĩ just means another day. For example, if you say nĩtũkonana mũthenya ũngĩ, just means we'll see each other on another day. On another day. Mweri mũku is the coming month. Mwaka ũyũ is the current year. Mwaka mũthiru is the last year. Mwaka ũcio ũrarĩ ho is last year again. And also mwaka mũhĩtũku is also last year. Mĩaka 10 mĩthiru or mĩaka 10 mĩhĩtũku is just to say 10 years ago. Remember, 10 means 10. Remember, 10 means 10. Thank you so much. That's all I have for now about time and time frames. See you in the next lesson.